Hari Om. Today's our topic is Vachane Parivartayat, where we are going to focus on subject-verb agreement. That means the verb form always changes according to the subject. Therefore, in this topic, the subject and the verb play an important role. Then, let's take a closer look at these 2 points. The subject of a sentence is always in first case, and that would be noun or pronoun and noun put together. Therefore, the first case of the noun and pronoun should be memorized. And the best way to do that is to make a list of them, including their base word, ending letter, and gender. Then, how does it help while solving this question? First, it helps to identify the subject of sentence. And second, it's easy to change the number of subject according to its instruction. Then, let's understand these 2 points through these examples. Here, the subject of a sentence is Charanaha, and its base word is Charan, and its ending letter A represents Akarantaha, and the meaning of its Stuti-Patikaha represents the gender of it, Pullikam. And this word, Charan, which is Akarantaha Pullikam, matches to our memorized word, Te. That means the vibhakti form of the Te and Charan are same. And here's the key. Just adding respective suffix to the base word, we could change the number of subject effortlessly. Just like this example. Here, the given instruction is Ekavachane Parivartayat. That's why Visarga, which is the suffix of singular form, is added to our base word Charan. And in this way, it is changed into singular form according to the instruction. But this trick we could use only if the subject is noun. And if the subject is pronoun, then need to change complete vibhakti form. Just like this example. Here, aham is subject, which is pronoun. That's why it is replaced with vayam according to instruction. Now, let's move on to the second important point, verb. In Sanskrit, verbs are divided into 2 groups. The first group relates to only suffixes. That's why we need to memorize them according to their lakar. Whereas the second group relates to only the table of dhatuhu. That's why we need to memorize them according to their gun. Then let's understand these 2 groups through these examples. Here, the verb of a sentence is gayanti, which belongs to the first group. And as we know, the first group relates to their suffixes. And here, the ending suffix ati represents parasmepadi lakaraha bahuvachanam, which is replaced with ti. And in this way, gayanti is changed into gayati in singular form. Whereas here the verb of a sentence is sati, which belongs to the second group. And as we know, the second group represents the table of dhatuhu. And this sati verb represents as parasmepadi lakaraha bahuvachanam, which is replaced with asti according to its instruction. Now, let's see some key points of Vachane Parivartayat. Step 1. Identify the subject of a sentence, including its ending letter and gender. Step 2. Choose the memorized word which matches to your respective base word. Step 3. Change the number of subject according to its instruction. Step 4. Identify the verb of a sentence along with its group and lakaraha. And step 5. Change the number of verb form according its instruction. Now, let's understand these key points through this example. First, the subject of a sentence, Ambodaha, is identified along with its ending letter and gender. After that, the memorized word, Dev, is chosen which matches to our respective base word, Aamod. And then the number of subject is changed into singular form just by adding the respective suffix visarga. After that, the verb of a sentence, Atrayati, is identified along with its group and lakaraha. And then the ending suffix anti is replaced with ti in singular form according to its instruction. And in this way, Ambudaha Vasudha Atrayati is changed into Ambudaha Vasudha Atrayati in singular form. Now, let's see some more examples with their key answers. Nadyah Mohodadhim Pravishanti. Nadi Mohodadhim Pravishati. Charanaha Stutim Gayanti. Charanaha Stutim Gayati. Dhenuhu Manche Akachati. Dhenu Manche Akachataha. Aham Rathat Avatarami. Avam Rathat Avataravaha. Chhatraha Sanskritam api patitum shaknuvanti. Chhatraha Sanskritam api patitum shaknoti. Yo janati sah panditaha. Ye jananti te panditaha. Mahavidyalaye कणादविषयकाणि पुस्तकानि सन्ति. महाविद्यालये कणादविषयकं पुस्तकम् अस्ति. अहं वाणिज्यशाखायाः स्नातकः. वयं वाणिज्यशाखायाः स्नातकाः. जनाः न सन्तुष्टाः. जनः न सन्तुष्टः. कृषकः बीजात् फलं लभते. कृषकाः बीजात् फलं लभन्ते. सा पुस्तकं पठितुं प्रारभते. ताः पुस्तकं पठितुं प्रारभन्ते. मृगः सस्यम् अखादत्. मृगाः सस्यम् अखादत्. सः गृहात् निरगच्छत्. ते गृहात् निरगच्छन्. सः पठनार्थं गुरुम् उपागच्छत्. ते पठनार्थं गुरुम् उपागच्छन्. पत्रक्रीडायां मग्नः आसम् अहम्. पत्रक्रीडायां मग्नाः आस्म वयम्. शिशिरऋतो पद्मं व्यकसत्. शिशिरऋतो पद्मानि व्यकसन्. त्वं तण्डुलं विभज. यूयं तण्डुलं विभजत्. Now, let's see the first case of noun and pronoun. Devah, devo, devaha. Mala, male, malaha. Vanam, vane, vanane. Kavihi, kavi, kavayah. Matihi, mati, matayah. Vari, varini, varine. Nadi, nadyo, nadyah. Bhanuhu, bhanu, bhanavah. Dhenuhu, dhenu, dhenavah. Madhu, madhuni, madhuni. Pita, pitaro, pitarah. Mata, mataro, matarah. Karta, kartaro, kartarah. Marut, maruto, marutah. Sarit, sarito, saritah. Jagat, jagati, jagati. Chandramaha, chandramaso, chandramasah. Apsaraha, apsaraso, apsarasah. Payah, payasi, payansi. Bhagavan, bhagavanto, bhagavantah. Shriman, shrimanto, shrimantah. Atma, atmano, atmanah. Raja, rajano, rajanah. Janma, janmani, janmane. Naam, namani, namane. Vak, vak, vacho, vachah. Dik, dik, disho, dishah. Vanik, vanik, vanijo, vanijah. Srak, srak, sraju, srajah. Aham, avam, vayam. Tvam, yuva, yuyam. Sah, tau, te. Sa, te, taha. Tat, tat, te, tani. Eshah, eto, ete. Esha, ete, etaha. Etat, etat, ete, etani. Yah, yo, ye. Ya, ye, yaha. Yat, yat, ye, yani. Kah, kau, ke. Ka, ke, kaha. Kim, ke, kani. Sarvah, sarvo, sarve. Sarva, sarve, sarvaha. Sarvam, sarve, sarvane. Ayam, imo, ime. Iyam, ime, imaha. Idam, ime, imani. Bhavan, bhavanto, bhavantah. Bhavati, bhavatyo, bhavatyah. Well, that's it for this session.